Zero.
Hi, welcome to the Pathways podcast. We're the ninth grade council, and we bring to you our very own failed edition of this podcast. First things first.
And you very well
Why
know
are
that you're
you
not
doing that
supposed
to
to harass anyone. That's what we're
Wait.
doing. What are you doing?
The Pathways Panther is
against
beautiful.
your finger?
Clearly.
Doesn't
Like,
matter.
just tell me if you guys don't you guys think Pathways Panther is beautiful?
चीज थी बेकार हमारा पाकिस्तान पैंथर हटा दो उसको स्कूल से इट्स जस्ट एम्बैरेसिंग
That isn't the point, Ansh. Even if it is beautiful.
What if we had the panther on our uniform?
Oh my god.
I mean, instead of the Pathways logo, it was the panther climbing up those steps.
You look like someone at Comic Con.
Bro, the thing is, the logo suggests that it's not pathways, it's stairway. Have you ever thought about that? Think about it.
Yeah, I have.
You know, every time we go to camps, there should be like one teacher who has the Pathways Panther costume, and they just accompany us, and they're like our guardian for that entire
But we
camp
haven't
trip. That would be fun.
gone to camps because nice.
You know,
Dude, we have had camps in 2 years.
2
10th grade
years.
has
How 2 years?
So long.
You went
It's been
in
2
eighth
years.
grade.
I think it's
2019
been
we
2
didn't
years
have
now.
camps. 2020
Exactly, so
we
we
won't
went
have
in
camps.
2018.
19
2020 you can remove from the calendar year itself.
19 में क्यों नहीं था कैंप?
क्योंकि
Because
हमारा
we
8
highly valued in the first semester, na?
18 में हो गया था
Probably
हमारा
camps and founders and camps got switched.
हाँ.
Makes sense.
We
8
skipping
camps
10th
wasn't
grade
that fun
officially.
also actually. Like one thing.
Great
No,
camp.
it's just a lot of fun.
Great
Come
camp.
on.
No,
Luckiest.
the thing is, you know, I had personally gotten used to that thrilling lifestyle, adjusting 6 people in a tent for 5 people. It was beautiful.
Yeah.
There
Give
were
it,
15 people
There are like
in
15.
one of our cabins. 15 people on the last night.
And
Because
there
there
were
were
You were
spiders.
living in
big
cottages.
spiders.
You
These
spoiled
big spiders.
brats.
Oh god.
There were spiders the size of our hands, just sticking to the walls and to the
Your
beds
hand is
and in the
small. My
washrooms.
hand is big. You can't compare it like that.
my hand is pixelated. Wow.
I hate grade 10 at this point.
Really, I do.
They missed their board exams.
And we
They
have
got
our exams in less than a month.
What else do you want in life?
I don't
They even got
understand
their
why we
camps.
still
They
have an
got their
art.
camps.
We
They
got
got
every
Yeah, exactly what I
they
said.
get privileges. We are out here. We are making podcasts.
We're recording podcasts.
That too, I'm not sure this recording will make it or not.
YouTube, yeah.
Who knows?
Like imagine
Drop a
Samarth
like.
trying to edit this.
Drop a like if this video made it on YouTube.
You know, like in the
Drop
first
a view
podcast
as
that
well.
the 11th graders did, for all of those awkward moments, Summer just like speeded it up so much, sped it up so much. I have a feeling that the entire podcast for us is just going to be sped up.
Well, those 11th grader guys, their podcast has a big number of people. We are 4 people. Pancham is grabbing his double chin. You can't even ignore that over here. No, can you ignore that? Like in the 11th grader podcast, first thing I noticed they had speaker view. We have gallery view. So now Samarth can switch to someone else's. Here you have to have Pancham. You have to have him.
देखो इन्हें ये ओस की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूद
Yeah, more important issues.
How
We
long
were
does
thinking
this
of
have to
raising a
How long
petition,
does
right?
this have to be?
for Pancham's face and the Pathways Panther.
Ah,
I
Pancham
think
is
if
so cute.
देखो इन्हें ये ओस की बूंदें
Do you think raising your hand will help you? If yes, I have also raised my hand. Bro, I honestly would be happy. What is?
No, I'm not gonna no.
So we have
Anyway,
been recording for 17 minutes 26 seconds, and
Really?
हाँ
And we,
पत्तों
as
की
we haven't
गोद
had a
में
backup over here, but we haven't had podcast
आसमां
also.
से कूद
Should I take it as a positive or negative?
Neutral.
Always
Okay.
podcast.
Let's
It's a-
talk about the elephant in the room, guys.
Pancham.
If you say Pancham, I will.
My laugh it was squeaked.
I knew that was coming. You're a sad boy, you know that.
Because as you can see, we're complete ripoffs of the 11th grade council. And yet we're
Basically,
amazing
if
people.
you rewatch their podcast like 10-20 times and you get bored, you come here. Otherwise, you go there.
I mean, I
Well,
watched their podcast. I watched it once. It was nice.
I
Then
honestly haven't watched it even once.
I watched it once. It was nice. The second time, this is the thing with podcasts. Their humor isn't repetitive. You cannot watch it repetitively. Like if you
Yeah.
see Ethan falling from that, वो क्या था in the Total Wipeout वाला. If you see that, he
Yeah.
almost breaks his back. You can watch it 100 times. If the editors can cue it over here when I say it, that would be beautiful. But you can't watch podcasts again and again, so we can't expect our views to just climb because one guy is obsessed with us. Like, oh, Pancham, Pancham, I want to watch Pancham. This is beautiful. This kid.
Let's just talk about the main issue right now, guys.
So
What is it?
the boys' locker room and the girls' locker room because equality.
Nice.
Yeah, you forgot to
Hashtag. Okay, this is our new hashtag. Okay, hashtag Gyan with Council, guys. Spam in the comments below.
मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm leaving. I don't
Bye,
want
guys.
any of this.
This over.
ओए मेरे मैथ
guys,
की
did
grade अच्छा है.
Oh, shush, just a serious business. You
कितने
know,
हैं? आ गए तुम्हारे?
when guys
Podcast tab है वो.
suicide-
हाँ.
मैथ
Yeah.
की grade आ गए?
Stop. One guy suicided, I think this week only. I think yesterday, day for yesterday. It's because I think he
Yeah, because
molested.
he was accused of some
Yeah.
sexual assault thing.
No,
Not
he
assault
did
thing,
do
but online.
used for even more. So that. So but
The fact is,
this is serious.
they tried to hide it by using a meme as their group का नाम. Did you know?
Yeah.
Boys locker room is a meme,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
but that doesn't take anything away from the seriousness of the issue. It's a pretty heinous
And
thing to do.
the audacity after they're called out, they start texting with people who have called them out. Then they make an Instagram account. Like what the hell? Do you not understand the seriousness of this?
I mean,
And then after, when then finally there's legal action being taken against them, there's another group, which is just great.
Guys, for more info on this, go follow the PSN Council Instagram thing. That's everything.
also,
And basically, we just want you to know that if you're experiencing something like this or anything of this sort is happening to you, you can always approach one of us or any members of the
we may
council.
seem stupid,
We'll
but
help
we
you.
aren't. Like, we are actually
Yeah.
considerate people. ऐसे ही नहीं आए थे council में, but
हाँ,
perhaps
मजाक हो रहा है.
We can help you out. So.
We can
sort of.
I was uncontested, but that doesn't matter.
I mean, anyone
Which is
would
not-
be considerate regarding these issues, right?
Yeah. That is-
Unless someone is like, nahi, I'm completely in favor of this.
which people are, by the way.
Huh. I mean, see, the fact that these people think that they're doing nothing wrong is is in itself like a testimony of people actually might agree with them, but they're just hiding what they feel about it because they don't want that stigma, if I may say.
And because there's like a generalization that all boys are like this.
Did miss.
Like boys will be boys. There's nothing you can do about that.
We're talking about this thing, and you guys are talking about calling an egg cute.
Guys, No.
Perhaps we are not considerate after all. That's the end of the
Perhaps
council's
no,
podcast for today. Bye, ladies and gentlemen.
not at all.
एक चीज थी बेकार हमारे
No, I mean the thing is that everyone in the council, and I'm sure everyone who's even watching this, in their classes and everything, and amongst their friends and on their social media platforms, everyone has decided in their own way to speak up about it somehow, or else they've had discussions with their teachers and their peers. And in the end, the same theme just comes out, and that is the complete lack of respect
Yeah,
and
like
dignity that's been given to
I
individuals.
on a school level, we were discussing every stupid issue, not on the council's level. The council is doing whatever they can. But in some classes, people, I have seen some of my classmates, they are not even aware about this. So, like, that shows that people are not considering this issue to be an actually terrible thing to do. Because
Yeah.
they might think that this is just a mention of a crime, but and that everybody
Yeah,
does, but they're that's not it.
And you know the thing is, these are the only things that have come into light. There are much more. There's so much going on, and only this has come into our
I
eyes,
feel
into
like
our
more than half the
whatever.
people are scared to say whatever is happening to them.
Apparently, in India, almost 60% of the rape cases go unreported, and some further 10-15% they report it, but they take back the files. So they close the case themselves. So that
And
is
the thing is
also
that
because the victims are given stigma from the society's part,
exactly,
which is like,
Their
imagine
families.
you slap someone. So you slap someone, and the teacher suspends the slap wala victim that you did not defend yourself. What is this nonsense? So that is the kind of thing that happens on a national level here in India.
Don't place stupid bets, guys.
no, but the thing is that this entire rape, and we were discussing this in class also, this entire rape culture that India has um, been developing for the past many decades, it's not going to stop anytime soon because when these kids aren't reprimanded for their crude and vile behavior at a young age, they grow up with that same psychology. And it's that adult psychology that then forms the impressions and the ideologies of the future generations. And when they grow up and when they continue with the same beliefs, then the cycle will just continue, never going to break.
Also, I think, look at US. We should be more like them. Schools. I shouldn't have
Okay.
said that.
Yeah. Cut that.
Cut that bit, censor it.
Literally everywhere right now with the coronavirus thing, everywhere on Insta, literally every single day, I at least see it. I see at least 3-4 meme accounts posting like America. Now we finally find out who the US really is. It's a piece of trash wearing a Gucci belt or something. No, it's a third world country wearing a Gucci belt.
Yeah.
The thing is, look, United States has it's like a lion led by a donkey.
Dude, the US has always bully country.
Like,
Like it just bullies the countries.
At this point, they're just bullying themselves, to be honest.
yeah, look at Florida. Florida, mein, people are sitting in parks. Not Florida, man. Florida populace in general. They are sitting in
I know,
parks.
but Florida reminds me of
Being as a
Florida
class
man.
going on downstairs literally right now. Out in the open. People are doing yoga.
People are like, police won't hit us here. What will
There
police do?
was an announcement yesterday, over those
So many of
microphones.
these anti-lockdown protesters, they're all getting COVID-19 themselves. And
That is
even
bound
then
to
they're
happen.
coming out. Exactly.
You you can't expect to
People
just walk in
only
the
guess
line
You
of
know,
to
fire.
Boris Johnson. If Boris Johnson hadn't yet been diagnosed with COVID-19, he would definitely have been leading all of these anti-lockdown protests.
After
But the thing is,
COVID-19, Donald
just
Trump will
because
officially go under
how
his
would you
fourth
know? We
bankruptcy.
have no control over it.
Yeah.
I am not
But
proud
actually,
to have represented US in an MUN. I'll hide the evidence that I ever did.
You know what we should do? Okay, I feel like in India, a lot more school children and college students should be more active with the current affairs that are going on in our country. If we just had a talk show, something like the Daily Show with Trevor Noah, or what John Oliver does, or what any
Dr.
of the
Phil for
people
children. It's like Dr. Phil for the children, isn't it?
uh, and,
Send them to the
no.
ranch.
देखो इन्हें
Oh, they have identified 20 children of the locker room thing, and they are now legally convicted criminals apparently.
You know, none of them can go to jail because they're juveniles, which sucks.
I mean, just imagine they can just hold the investigation up until they're like 18-year-olds. Pro gamer move. This issue got too serious. What other things were we supposed to talk about?
Now we're supposed to diss Earth House.
Shut
That was
up.
number one on the agenda.
Yeah, Earth House sucks. That's all I
One
have
point
to
was
say
the
about
difference, and it would have been me. One, one little
And
point.
you weren't even
करके
loyal to
देते
your own
थे
house.
वो.
You weren't there for the pre-term meeting. How could you do that?
What
Okay,
meeting?
Guys,
so
Ananya Joshi, the leader of the house that lost by 1 point.
Wait. What meeting was I not there
What?
for?
What a sad leader.
see, that's the thing you don't know.
And there Iha just sits and enjoys her cup of coffee as she wants.
Like the sports day for me was like a league where the relegation battle is better. Like who will be the ultimate loser?
It was like you
Earth
were
House,
down.
Yeah, I know, right?
Earth House,
Nobody
Your
really
because
cares
the
who
Firehouse
wins.
was so far ahead, 200-300 point. They were
And nobody really cares who wins. All people care about is who loses.
yeah,
Which
because
is
then
great by Parthian.
I mean, yeah. Honestly, it was just the matter of who comes second, who comes third, because first and fourth were practically taken by the final day.
But dude, we were coming second in the beginning. That was just a proud
In the
moment. But
in
then
the
we came
But
beginning,
was
Ananya,
everyone in primary? I mean, you don't leave primary for anyone else. I mean, fire, water, and air, we all stuck in primary. It's only Earth. You only have Earth House children. It's so unfair.
ouch.
Very unfair.
I mean, in the future,
Never
probably Earth House. In the future, one day.
Hopefully,
we'll
by the
never
time
know.
we've graduated and we
Yeah,
won't
I
live to
think
see that
Ananya is a
horror.
bad luck for Earth House
yeah. I think it's just an
There are
omen.
2 houses here. There are 4 houses. What do you have against this one house?
because it's
It's
so
Earth,
easy to
yeah.
bully.
Earth House is the RCB of Pathways.
Yeah, I know.
They're like, we will do everything. We will even come second till the final day. Then all of a sudden,
Wink. Eight.
At least we came second for a while. For a
For a
few
while,
hours, we were
nobody
coming
cares
second.
about we came first for a while.
he came second and third and fourth, and everything we did. Then finished third for a while.
At least we were good at academics. Sports isn't everything.
For a while. For a
What
year.
isn't everything?
Sports isn't everything. We're good at academics.
Acha.
Again, fire has the academic talent. It's just
Yeah, you just
to work a little bit more on the teamwork.
in this.
Bro,
Firehouse.
Fire's academic talent needs to be polished so hard. You have no idea. At least in ninth. 11th, mein you guys,
Individual talent is there.
11th,
See,
10th, you guys have a
individual
bit of
talent.
11th and 11th, 12th, 10th, you guys have like this academic talent which you can actually see. 11th, 12th, mein, there is no outright winner in terms of academic talent. Ninth, mein, there are such high fluctuations in every house in terms of academics. Like, air mein there is Prakriti and there is Pancham.
I know, right? The top two. I mean, I
We
agree.
all know Pancham is the smarter one.
Dude, Earth House has the least amount of people in it. Firehouse is the most.
Like
Nobody
primary,
cares
I
about
don't see
Earth
any
House
others
or
consider Earth.
Firehouse.
Water has the thickest people in it.
Cut that. We have to cut that out.
Why?
Shout out to
We have to cut that out too.
Well, he won't come at me. It is 30 to 47.
Okay, stop talking because in Samarth will have to cut out a lot.
Wait. So what else do we have to talk about?
Let's just stop here.
Yeah, but we can't be done so soon.
How long is it?
32,
Okay, how do we?
33:05.
You will have to cut out.
33
a
minutes.
funny
इसमें
segment.
इसमें Samarth will cut at least 10 minutes. 23 minutes is
Yeah, so then
enough
how do we
for
just
us.
end it? We need like one line to end it.
Bye guys. Wait for part 2 coming soon.
Yeah, can you end it?
Samarth will be so disappointed in all of us.
I know,
And
right?
I'm
It will
pretty
be
sure
great.
Ansh was supposed to have the least amount of talking time.
Well, you
But
guys
he
weren't
has
speaking. My talkative side took over. It was like, Hans, you have to save the day.
no, it was good till a point until you called people out. Until then, it was good.
As third place finishers, we get bragging rights. Yes.
Yeah, just say something and end it.
Yeah, just say something.
3, 2, 1, roll. Yeah.
That's it.
So,
You guys can go.
Iha just managed to glitch in the end. She's like, do we end it here? Do
Should
we
we all
really
dab
end
at
it
the
here?
end?
something more, some quality content, or
That scribble idea
We'll
was
be
good, but then you
we'll
guys.
cut it
Uh,
out. It is
yeah.
already 35 minutes. He'll be
Okay, so
sad
then how do we end it? We can't just
Let us
like
not
bye in the
make him
middle of
sad.
nowhere.
guys, wait for the 11th grade
Okay.
roast of 9th grade council.
Guys,
You love
I
it.
think
And
we are going off topic at this point and we
yeah,
should
just
let's just end it.
guys,
So that
okay,
has been
it's
Pathways podcast.
can you like edit Pancham's face right now on the Pathis Panther?
You
Can
guys
we
give me
end
a
like that?
screenshot. Pancham boy isn't the
Oh
best
my
part
god,
to
okay.
right here.
Okay, wait. I'll just show you something. I look like I'm the head of the Pathis Panther.
Acha.
Screenshot or something. Wait, look at this. I just sent.
Okay, guys.
I'll do it.
Pancham, say
Three.
We
bye.
just
Thank you for watching Gyan with
Bye.
Council.
101.
Quality
Hashtag
content.
Gyan with
Guys,
Counsel.
they'll hate
Right
us.
after school in the
They'll
Broad
hate us.
Where we might have a special appearance, guys.
They'll hate us.
Stop
They
recording.
hate us, they're haters.
They hate us. Might as well
Stop
just hit us.
recording.
Doesn't matter.
Got to be
Stop
greater than.
recording.
No. Oh,
What
bye,
do you
guys.